In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. To remove it, you have two Phillips head screws. Remove both of them, and the whole third brake light assembly should pull off of the cab. Sometimes it'll be stuck here because of the gasket that has been on here for so long. There we go. Once you flip it over, you'll see all three bulbs. Two are for the bed lights, and the center one is for the brake light. Twist them all counterclockwise and pull them out. This is also a great time to change the bulb. These are all 921 bulbs, so if you need new ones, now's the time. Take the new third brake light, slide in all of your bulbs again, turn them clockwise until they click to lock them in. Okay, with all of them locked in, clean off any debris that might be here. Now we're ready to reinstall them, so slide the third brake light back into place. You'll notice the new gasket is a little squishier than the original one, and that's what you want. You want it to squeeze down and make a nice watertight seal. Slide in the two mounting screws, and once they're in, let's tighten them up. Once they bottom out, you just want to give them a little bit extra. You don't want to completely crush this because it'll break the plastic, and then not only will it not function properly, but you'll have water leaks. So just make them nice and snug. They're very small, and once again, they are only tightening on plastic. Okay, that's tight. Give a couple extra turns. Perfect. And there you have it. Now test out your lights and make sure they all work.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.